Today I am going to talk about Z transform and its properties. So one of the example, find Z transform of cos n theta, Z transform of sin n theta, and hence find Z transform of cos n pi by 2 and Z transform of sin n pi by 2, Z transform of r power n cos n theta, Z transform of r power n sin n theta. We know that e power I theta is equal to cos n theta plus sin n theta. So cos n theta equal to real part of e power I n theta, sin n theta equal to imaginary part of e power I n theta, and z power a, z of a power n equal to z by z minus a. Put a is equal to e power I theta. Then we get the form z by z minus cos theta plus I sin theta, and to complex conjugate on both sides. So z by z minus cos theta minus I sin theta into z minus cos theta plus I sin theta by z minus cos theta plus I sin theta. So we get the form z by z minus cos theta plus I sin theta by z minus cos theta the whole square minus I square into sin square theta. I use the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So z of cos n theta plus I sin n theta is equal to z into z minus cos theta plus I z sin theta by z square minus 2z cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. And simplify the term z of cos n theta plus I z sin n theta equal to z into z minus cos theta by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1 plus I into z sin theta by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So equating the real and imaginary parts, so we get the value is z of cos n theta equal to z of z minus cos theta by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1, z of sin theta equal to z of sin theta by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. And first of all, z of cos n pi by 2. We know that then the condition is z of cos n theta and replace theta by pi by 2. So we get the answer is z square by z square plus 1. Similarly, z of sin n pi by 2. Then in the terms z of sin n theta and replace theta by pi by 2. So we get the answer is z by z square plus 1. And also z of r power n sin theta equal to z of sin n theta and replace z by r. Then we get the value z by the z minus r cos theta by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. Similarly, z of r sin n theta equal to replace z by r. So the 2 are sin theta, 2 z are sin theta by z square minus 2z r cos theta plus r square. And another one form, find the z transform of 1 by n plus n into n plus 1 for n is greater than or equal to 1. So z of 1 by n into n plus 1, so is the form a by n plus b by n plus 1. So the LHS value 1 equal to a of n plus 1 plus b of n. Put n equal to minus 1, then b is equal to minus 1. Put n equal to 0, a is equal to 1. Substitute a and b value in the first fraction term. So z of 1 by n into n plus 1 equal to z of 1 by n minus z of 1 by n plus 1. Substitute the value z of 1 by n is equal to log of z by z minus 1, and z of 1 by n plus 1 equal to minus z into log of z minus 1 by z. So substitute this value. So we get the answer is z plus 1 into log of z by z minus 1. Thank you.